Hello student, dear student. In previous video we discussed two covalent bond, and today we discuss some other another slides. Significance of Lewis symbol. The first slide. So the number of dot represent the number of valence electron. This is the first point. And second, this number of valence electron help to calculate the common or group valence of that elements. And the group valence of electron uh, elements is generally either equal to numbers of dot in Lewis symbol, or 8 means the numbers of dot. And Lewis representation at ions are simple molecules, the Lewis structure. So the Lewis dot structure provide a picture of bonding in molecules and ions in the terms of shared pair of electrons and the octet rules. And the Lewis dot structure can be written by adopting the following step. Number one, the total number of electrons required for writing the structure are obtained by adding the valence electron of the combining atoms. Number two, the anion each negative charge would means addition of one electron. For cation, each positive charge would result in subtraction of one electron from the total number of the valence electron. Next point, one must know the chemical symbol of the combining atoms and their skeletal structure. Number four, in general, the least electronegative atoms occupies the central position. Number fifth point, after accounting the shared pairs of electron for single bond, the remaining electrons pair are either utilized for multiple bonding or remains as lone pair. Just see here some example of represent the bond and dot also. Hydrogen fluoride, one hydrogen. This is the valence electron value. Single bond remains electrons, and final Lewis structure and number of electrons which are just sharing or participate. After that, they form a molecules. Hydrogen fluoride, so 1 7 equal 8, single bond 6. This is the structure. Nitrogen or ammonia or methane or carbon tetrafluoride, nitrogen oxide. Okay. Next thing, formal charge. So a formal charge means Fc is the charge assigned an atom in a molecules. Assume that electrons in a chemical bond are shared equally between atom regardless of relative electronegativity. And the formal charge of an atom in a polyatomic molecules or ion may be defined as the difference between the number of valence electron of that atom in an isolated or free state and the numbers of electrons assigned so that atom in Lewis structure. And this is the example of ozone. So formal charge, the formula is total number of valence electron in the free atom minus total number of non-bonding electron minus 1 by 2 total number of bonding electron. So here there are 3 atoms of oxygen. The first number of oxygen, here the 2 double bond means here the participate 2 numbers of electron, and second bond oxygen the valence electron of oxygen, because the total numbers of oxygen atomic number is 8, and according to the electronic configuration is 2 and 6. So 6 is a valence electron. So here there are 1 and 2 numbers of electron and 4 electrons are present. So this 4 numbers of electron, this here they participate 2 numbers of electron, and the second atom of oxygen, the total valence electron is 6. So if we see here, the 4 dot means the 2 lone pair means 4 numbers of electron, and 2 numbers of electron are participate to this double covalent bond. So second number of oxygen atoms. So 6 numbers of electron, and here first number of oxygen 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And now the third atom of oxygen. So the valence electron 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are total 6 numbers of electron are present, and 2 electrons are just participate, means the first number oxygen atom to make a single bond of this 3 numbers of oxygen atom. So this single bond, the total required electron donated by first number of oxygen atom. So after that, this is the make a 1 molecules of ozone. So this is the formal charge structure. So the formal charge of first oxygen atom 6 minus 2 minus 1 by 2, 6 equal plus 1. Formal charge of second atom of oxygen 6 minus 4 minus 1 by 2 into 4 equal 0. And formal charge of oxygen number third 6 minus 1 by 2 into 2 equal minus 1. So this is the formal charge value. And some other information of formal charge we discussed to our next video. Okay, thank you.